Hey guys, Rector here, back in our video. So lately we got a few suggestions to make a drop like Kream. So in today's video we're making a full track from scratch like Kream. We took that track Go Somewhere as reference. So let's get started. For the vocal, let's hop over to Splice. As always, let's search for vocals and do the releases section. So let's check this pack out.
Suppose there are times when you lose your troubled mind. Suppose there are times when you're feeling
That's exactly what we're looking for, so let's go with this one. So now let's write the chords. Starting with the root notes.
I didn't know the night, reach up and touch the I didn't know the night, reach up and touch the light. We're dancing, touch the light. We're dancing, we don't sleep until we die. I didn't know the night, reach up and touch the light. We're dancing, we don't sleep until we die. I didn't know the night, reach up and touch the light. We're dancing, we don't sleep until we die. The night, reach up and touch the light. I didn't know the night, reach up and touch the light. I didn't know the night, reach up and touch. I didn't know the night, I didn't know the night, reach up and touch. I didn't know the night, reach up and I didn't know the night. Reach up and touch the light. We're dancing, we don't sleep until we die.
So first, let's mix the piano some more. Together with a filter, sounding like this.
Suppose there are times when you're feeling undefined.
Now let's add a kick. We'll be choosing one from the upcoming bass house pack. Let's go for this one. Let's filter this one as well, just like the piano. Together in the song, sounding like this.
There are times when you lose your troubled mind.
Now let's add a reese bass to the break. We'll be using this preset. Now let's do some mixing.
Suppose there are times when you lose your troubled mind.
So now let's add a clap to the second part of the breakdown.
We go out and on the night, reach up and touch the light. We're dead.
Now let's add a snare drum. We'll be placing it right here. Sounding like this. So now we're gonna pan the snare. For the build up, we use these end the smell and local automations. Besides that, we add a few risers. Together, sounding like this.
We don't have to worry. Drink up, no night is early. Keep dancing, dancing, time for anyway.
Now let's find the right bass preset. Let's go for this one. Copy over the notes of the reese bass and make a variation. Sounding like this. Now let's layer it. So let's go for this one. Tweak it a little bit. just find a sweet spot for the cutoff. Now let's add some effects. So first we copy over the drums of the breakdown, sounding like this. So now we're gonna add the heads. We'll be using a sound from the new bass house pack. Let's go for this one. So now let's add a closed hi-hat. The rhythm will be like this, sounding like this. So now we're gonna search for a vocal ambient to fill it up some more. This one's gonna be it. Fit it to the tempo. Sounding like this. Now let's sidechain it and open up a stereo image. Besides that, I added a few ear candy elements, like this vinyl sound and bird sound. And that's it, the full track will sound like this.